Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to export database in Notion. So go over to your database that you want to export and then simply click on these three dots right here. Then click on export. Now this window will pop up and you can choose a format in which you want to export your database. It could be PDF, HTML, or Markdown and CSV. Now you should select which databases you want to include, the current view or the default view. Here select the content that you want to include, so it could be everything or no files or images. You can also include subpages if you want and create folders for subpages. Then simply click on export and your database will export to your computer. Just name it my database and then simply press save. So as you can see, my database is right now in here in my downloads folder. So thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.